Hi friends, we're making cookies.
Okay, you're gonna start with your 1 cup of softened butter. Until it's soft because it moves all around, okay? So put this in your bowl. Just put it in your bowl.
What's my...
Yep, shake it out. There you go. Alright, okay. Next one. Oh, that one rolled right out. Alright, you don't wipe it on there. Here. Okay, 1 cup of salted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of light brown sugar. Go ahead. Let's do it. There you go. Alright, now we're going to do 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract and 2 eggs. Nope, 2 eggs. Alright, now we're going to give this a mix. Now we have 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. We're just gonna do a little bit at a time, like maybe half of it. Watch your hand. Pour from side to side. There Take them out, let them cool. They'll continue to cook as they're on the hot pan. You can shape them if you want, but I'll show you when they get done cooling. Okay, this is how the first batch turned out, so we're going to start a second batch. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you in the next video.